If your Fire TV Stick screen looks dark, washed out or dull, this video will show you exactly how to fix it. There are a few different reasons this can happen and we are going to go through each one step by step. If this helps, hit subscribe button for more videos like this. Let's get started with the most common cause, and that's a setting called dynamic range. By default, your Firestick TV has this set to always HDR. What that means is it's forcing HDR output all the time, even on the content that doesn't support it. Menu, apps, regular shows all getting processed as HDR when they shouldn't be. That's what causes the dark, dull, washed out look. Here's how to fix it. Press the home button on your remote and hold it down. Select settings, go to display and sounds. Then select display, then open dynamic range settings. You'll see two options, always HDR and adaptive. Change it to adaptive if yours is set to always HDR. Mine doesn't have always HDR and is already set to adaptive, but in case yours is set to always, make sure you change it to adaptive. Go back to your home screen and check the difference. For most people, this alone will fix the problem. If you have a Fire TV Stick 4K or 4K Max, you might also want to check your color depth settings. From settings, go to display and sounds, then display, then color depth. If your TV supports a 10-bit color, set it to 10-bit. If you're not sure, leave it on 8-bit. That's the safe default. And one last thing, make sure your HDMI cable is plugged into the right port. Some TVs have specific HDMI ports that support 4K and HDR, usually labeled HDMI 2.1 or ARC. If your Fire TV Stick is in a regular HDMI port, try swapping it to one of those. Also check the HDMI enhanced mode or UHD color settings is turned on for whichever port you're using. The setting is usually inside your TV's picture or input settings. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.